Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to another Maui condo guide. Today we are in South Maui at Maui Kama'ole. Let's get into it. So this property, I love it. It sits on over 23 acres that sprawls out across this area. It's got 29 different buildings that are all 2-story. So there's first floor, second floor units. Has a really nice condo vibe here. There's a total of 316 units and they're all gonna be 1 or 2 bedroom units. All the units have 2 bathrooms. All right, we are gonna come on inside from the lanai now and take a look at this property. It is absolutely gorgeous. So it's got nice luxury carpet and vinyl and tile throughout. I love every detail about this property. From the vast high ceilings, just being able to see the beams and the board on board look up there, then to coming down as you start to pan down your view into the kitchen. I just love the texture of the lights and like the knobs. They really tied in all the details together here. So it comes together really, really beautifully. This living room is absolutely fantastic. With the big ceilings, you really feel like you've got so much space in here. You can really spread out, get comfortable, take a seat on the couch. You've got big TV for viewing, and you can also see the ocean from right here on the couch. And then take a look over here into the kitchen. I mean, this perfectly appointed kitchen. I love the floating shelves. I love the open glass cabinetry up top where you can just see the beauty of the different pieces that they put in there. This great stove top. I love this backsplash. And again, they tie everything together. All of the colors tie in really well. These countertops, beautiful. Marble countertops, nicely polished, and of course, quality appliances throughout. Come back this way, you've got a very beautiful bathroom. It has the same finishes that the kitchen does. Really, really nicely done. Back here, we have a great secondary bedroom on this first floor. This is a great sized bed. You've got closet space, multiple, and then I love how they use this nook over here to do a built-in desk. Really nicely done. You can see this unit does have split mini system throughout, so you do have AC, and you also have a great view out this back slider door and off of this lanai, the stairs, and they turn the upstairs into a master suite. So you've got a bedroom here and a nice ensuite bath. Everything been perfectly redone. This property was built in 1989 and you can see it sits beautifully right above the Kihei boat ramp. So right across the street, it's Kihei boat ramp, and then you're right in between the Cam Beach parks and all the Wailea beaches. So you're in a perfect position to go one way or the other, north or south of you, and you have amazing beaches everywhere. Another huge plus of this complex is, yes, it is available for vacation rentals. So you can buy this property, turn it into a vacation rental. So this is a really great complex for you if you're looking for those income producing properties or something that will offset your ability to come stay here in Maui. Of course, you can always long-term rent it out as well. This property has a lot of great features. We've got a couple of pools here. There's tennis courts. Of course, you can walk over to the beach. These properties also have really great sized lanais, which I really, really enjoy. Right here, we're sitting on one. You can see there's plenty of seating around and big views. When it comes to pets, this one is not really into having your dogs around. So this is not a pet-friendly residence. So if you are a person that is looking for a pet-friendly residence, this is not gonna be the one for you. On the flip side of that, if hearing other people's dogs barking annoys you, guess what? You don't have to deal with that here. So this could be the perfect spot for you if you don't want to have to deal with pets or knowing that your vacation guests are not going to have pets in the property. As a whole, I love Maui Kama'ole because of the proximity to everything here in South Maui. I love the fact that you can just get in your car, hop down the street. Actually, you can even walk if you really wanted to down to like the shops of Wailea, all the Wailea beaches. Also, you can just go right up the road and you're in all the action in Kihei. So lots of options here. It's a great property. I really enjoy the feel of this complex. The condos are great. They have a really great interior, very spacious. I love the lofts. And so you've got so many really cool options. If you are into this complex, comment below, make some questions for me. Happy to answer anything. And if you want more videos like this, just keep smashing that like button. We'll talk soon.